Hey guys, it's Francesca, and I'm doing another speed tutorial. You guys kind of like my last one, so I said why not do another one, and this look was probably requested the most. If you guys follow me on Instagram, like I said in my last video, you know that I posted this so many weeks ago, and I never filmed a tutorial, and I did it for the first time, and it came out really good. This time, it's a little different than last time. I tried to play with more colors, and I tried to not outline it and make it as defined, so it actually looks more like a parrot. But yeah, you guys have been obsessing over it on my Instagram, so I figured I'd do another one for you guys, and this will be my entry, I guess, to the Nick Space Awards. If you guys didn't know, I kind of entered. I'm kind of nervous, but yeah, Beauty Tickie's doing it too, and oh my god, I'm so excited for both of us, and look at this. So yeah, it's not that hard. Actually, it looks really tough, but if you have really steady hands, then you probably can do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and continue on watching to see how to do it.